Discover the magic of Wales. Wales, a land of captivating beauty and rich history, awaits your discovery. From ancient castles perched on rugged cliffs to rolling hills dotted with sheep, Wales offers a tapestry of experiences for every traveller. Immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, explore its breathtaking landscapes, and create memories to last a lifetime. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a journey through time, Wales has something for everyone. Discover hidden waterfalls, hike through stunning national parks, or wander through charming villages steeped in history. Let Wales enchant you with its magic and wonder. Step back in time, historic sites and castles. Wales is a land steeped in history, with ancient ruins and majestic castles whispering tales of the past. Explore the mighty Caernarfon Castle, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will transport you back to medieval times. Wander through the well-preserved ruins of Tintern Abbey, its Gothic arches reaching towards the sky. Discover the legends of King Arthur at Caerphilly Castle, the largest castle in Wales. Each castle tells a unique story, inviting you to step back in time and unravel the mysteries of Wales's captivating past. Breathtaking landscapes, natural wonders and parks. Prepare to be awestruck by Wales's natural beauty. From the rugged peaks of Snowdonia to the serene shores of the Pembrokeshire coast, Wales offers a diverse landscape waiting to be explored. Hike to the summit of Mount Snowdon, the highest peak in Wales, and be rewarded with panoramic views that will take your breath away. Explore the Brecon Beacons National Park, with its rolling hills, cascading waterfalls, and ancient caves. Lose yourself in the beauty of the Elan Valley, where tranquil reservoirs reflect the surrounding mountains. Wales's natural wonders will leave you feeling inspired and rejuvenated. Coastal escapes, beaches and seaside charms. Escape to the Welsh coast, where dramatic cliffs meet sandy beaches and charming seaside towns beckon. Relax on the golden sands of Rosil Bay, voted one of the best beaches in the world. Explore the hidden coves and rock pools of the Gower Peninsula, a designated area of outstanding natural beauty. Indulge in fresh seafood at a local restaurant in Tenby, a picturesque town with colourful houses lining its harbour. Whether you prefer sunbathing, water sports, or simply enjoying the sea air, Wales's coastline offers a refreshing escape. Cultural cities, vibrant hubs of art and history. Experience the vibrant culture of Wales in its charming cities. Explore Cardiff, the capital city, with its impressive castle, modern waterfront, and thriving arts scene. Visit the National Museum Cardiff to discover Welsh art, history, and culture. Wander through the streets of Hay-on-Wye, a town renowned for its numerous bookshops and literary festivals. Discover the industrial heritage of Swansea, a city reborn as a centre for culture and innovation. From museums and galleries to theatres and music venues, Wales's cities offer a rich tapestry of cultural experiences. Festival fun celebrating Welsh heritage. Immerse yourself in Welsh culture at one of the many festivals held throughout the year. Experience the Royal Welsh Show, a celebration of agriculture and rural life. Enjoy traditional music and dance at the National Eisteddfod, a celebration of Welsh language and culture. Join in the festivities at the Hay Festival, a world-renowned literary event that attracts authors, artists and thinkers from around the globe. From food festivals to music festivals, Wales offers a chance to celebrate its heritage and create lasting memories. Adventure awaits outdoor activities for everyone. For thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts, Wales offers a playground of outdoor adventures. Go coast-steering along the Pembrokeshire coast, scrambling over rocks, exploring sea caves, and plunging into the refreshing waters. Challenge yourself with whitewater rafting or kayaking on the River Tryweryn. Explore the underground world of Dania Ogoff, the National Show Cave Centre of Wales. With its diverse landscape and abundance of activities, Wales will satisfy your thirst for adventure. Warm Welsh hospitality. Embrace the local culture. One of the most endearing aspects of Wales is its warm and welcoming people. Experience the true meaning of Croeso I Gymru, welcome to Wales, as you encounter friendly locals eager to share their love for their country. Strike up a conversation at a local pub, savouring a pint of Welsh ale and listening to stories told with a charming accent. Embrace the opportunity to learn a few Welsh phrases such as bore da, good morning, and diolch, thank you. The genuine hospitality of the Welsh people will undoubtedly enhance your journey. Planning your Welsh adventure. Tips and recommendations. Planning a trip to Wales is easy, with a range of accommodation options, transportation networks, and resources available. Consider purchasing a National Trust touring pass for access to numerous historical sites and gardens. Pack for all weather conditions. As Wales is known for its unpredictable climate, learn a few basic Welsh phrases to impress the locals and enhance your cultural immersion. With a little planning, your Welsh adventure will be an unforgettable experience. Your unforgettable Welsh journey begins now. From its majestic castles and breathtaking landscapes to its vibrant culture and warm hospitality, Wales offers an enchanting escape for every traveller. Discover the magic of this captivating country, explore its hidden gems, and create memories to last a lifetime. Your unforgettable Welsh journey begins now.